Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is August 5th, 2025, and we're diving into Marathon Petroleum's second quarter earnings report. Joining us is John, senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. Marathon Petroleum, a leading integrated energy company, has just released its Q2 2025 earnings. There's a lot to unpack, from their financial performance to strategic initiatives.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the financials. Marathon Petroleum reported a net income of $1.2 billion for Q2 2025, which translates to an adjusted EPS of $3.96. How does this compare to last year, John?
In Q2 2024, Marathon reported a net income of $1.5 billion, so there's a noticeable decline this year. However, the adjusted EPS of $3.96 exceeded the analyst's forecast of $3.22, which is a positive sign. The revenue for this quarter was $34.1 billion, down from $38.4 billion last year, reflecting a challenging market environment.
Operational efficiencies and future outlook. Marathon's operational metrics show some interesting trends. Can you elaborate on their refining and midstream performance?
Absolutely. Marathon achieved a refining utilization rate of 97% and a refining and marketing margin of $17.58 per barrel, slightly up from last year. The midstream segment maintained its strength with an adjusted EBIT of $1.6 billion. However, the renewable diesel segment reported a negative EBITDA of $19 million, though this is an improvement from last year.
What about their future outlook?
Marathon is focusing on high-return investments in their refineries and expanding their midstream capabilities, particularly in the Permian Basin. These strategic moves are expected to enhance their long-term profitability and shareholder value.
Strategic initiatives and capital returns. Marathon has been active in terms of strategic initiatives and capital returns. Can you provide more details on these?
Marathon returned $1 billion to shareholders, including $692 million in share repurchases. They announced a significant acquisition of Northwind Midstream for $2.375 billion, which aligns with their growth strategy in the Permian Basin. Additionally, they divested their interest in an ethanol production joint venture for $425 million, optimizing their portfolio.
CEO insights and market reaction. CEO Maryann Mannen mentioned strategic commitments in her statement. How has the market reacted to these results?
CEO Maryann Mannen emphasized their strategic execution, particularly in refining and midstream operations. The market has reacted positively, with Marathon's share price seeing an uptick post-announcement. Investors seem encouraged by the company's focus on long-term value creation and capital returns.
Key takeaways. In summary, Marathon Petroleum has delivered a solid performance in Q2 2025, with a net income of $1.2 billion and an adjusted EPS of $3.96, beating the forecast. Their strategic initiatives and capital returns highlight a strong commitment to shareholder value. Thank you, John, for your insights.
Thank you for having me. Marathon's focus on operational efficiency and strategic growth positions them well for the future.
Thank you for watching Smart Stock Watch. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. We'd love to hear your thoughts on Marathon Petroleum's performance in the comments below.